I dug a hole about a foot deep, and then I put my screw down into the hole as deep as I could get it, and then I buried the screw after putting the umbrella in. So now my beach umbrella is anchored by a good 18 to 20 inches of sand. This beach umbrella is not going anywhere. Here's another thing that I did. Around here. So that my towel doesn't fly away, I created this little wall of sand so that as the wind is blowing across the beach, my towel is protected. Notice, it's not even fluttering. Now granted, towels don't go flying around, but this is just a little extra thing that I did because it is really, really windy. So, these are a couple of things that you can do on a windy day at the beach. Yay!